Introducing High Heels, a volumizing spritzer. This volume spray gives amazing root lift and volume to your hair. Your hair will look fuller and plumper, but feels incredibly soft because of its ingredient combination, including collagen for healthy, strong, moisturized hair. Spray on the root area on damp hair prior to blow drying for fullness and volume that lasts. For fine hair, spray down the hair length for a fuller appearance to the hair after blow drying. After you finish styling, the hair does not feel like it has any product in it at all. It is movable and so soft.